Shopping has always been an integral part of human life, but the ways we shop have evolved dramatically over time. The rise of technology has revolutionized consumer behavior, transforming traditional markets into dynamic digital ecosystems. From e-commerce to personalized advertising, technology has not only changed how we buy, but also how we think about products and services. In this video, we'll explore the evolution of consumer behavior, diving into the technological advancements that have reshaped the shopping experience and what this means for the future of retail. Let's get started. The most noticeable change in consumer behavior is the transition from physical stores to online platforms. The convenience of shopping from home, combined with the vast selection available online, has made e-commerce a dominant force. What began as a novel idea with limited appeal has grown into a multi-trillion-dollar industry, fundamentally altering the retail landscape. Amazon, for example, started as an online bookstore in 1995 and has since grown into a global retail giant, setting the standard for online shopping. Consumers now have access to nearly any product imaginable, delivered straight to their doorsteps, often within days or even hours. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this shift as consumers turned to online platforms during lockdowns. Even traditionally reluctant demographics such as older adults embraced online shopping out of necessity. This trend has persisted, highlighting the growing preference for digital convenience over traditional in-person shopping experiences. E-commerce sales accounted for over 20% of global retail sales in 2022, compared to just 5% a decade ago. Retailers who were slow to adapt have struggled, while those who embraced digital transformation have thrived. Businesses must adapt to the growing demand for online shopping by optimizing their digital presence, investing in user-friendly platforms, and ensuring a seamless customer experience. Smartphones have revolutionized how we shop, enabling consumers to browse, compare, and purchase products anytime, anywhere. Mobile commerce, or m-commerce, has become a significant segment of e-commerce, driven by the ubiquity of smartphones and the convenience they offer. Apps now offer tailored experiences that keep customers engaged. Companies like Starbucks and McDonald's have embraced m-commerce by integrating mobile ordering and payment systems, streamlining the customer experience and reducing wait times. Meanwhile, social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok allow users to shop directly through embedded links in posts and videos, further blurring the lines between browsing and purchasing. In 2023, global m-commerce sales exceeded $4 trillion. A testament to the growing reliance on mobile devices for everyday transactions. Apps like Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba are leading the charge, offering mobile-first experiences that prioritize speed and convenience. Businesses must prioritize mobile-friendly interfaces and consider investing in apps or mobile-optimized websites to capture this growing market. Simplifying the checkout process and integrating mobile payment options are essential for retaining customers. Technology has enabled unprecedented levels of personalization in shopping. Artificial intelligence, or AI, analyzes consumer data to predict preferences and recommend products, creating highly individualized shopping experiences. Personalization goes beyond product recommendations. It extends to email marketing, dynamic pricing, and even website layouts tailored to individual users. Netflix's recommendation algorithm and Amazon's Customers Also Bought feature are prime examples of how AI-driven personalization drives engagement and sales. Spotify's Discover Weekly playlists also showcase how personalized content keeps users returning for more. Personalized advertising, while effective, has also raised concerns about privacy. Consumers are becoming more aware of how their data is collected and used, demanding greater transparency and control over their information. Striking a balance between personalization and privacy is key to maintaining customer trust while leveraging the benefits of AI. Transparency and data practices can build consumer confidence and loyalty. Social media platforms have become powerful tools for influencing consumer decisions. From influencer marketing to viral trends, platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest shape how consumers discover and interact with brands. Social media fosters a sense of immediacy, encouraging impulse purchases and creating new ways to engage with audiences. The rise of TikTok has led to phenomena like TikTok Made Me Buy It, where products gain massive popularity through viral videos. Brands like The Ordinary and Dyson have seen products sell out overnight due to social media buzz. Social media also fosters community engagement, allowing brands to interact with customers directly and build loyalty through authentic connections. Features like live shopping and shoppable posts have transformed social media into a powerful sales channel. Leveraging social media effectively requires creativity, authenticity, and a deep understanding of platform-specific trends and algorithms. Brands that engage meaningfully with their audience can turn followers into loyal customers. Today's consumers are more conscious of the environmental and ethical impact of their purchases. Technology has facilitated this shift by providing tools for transparency, such as blockchain for supply chain tracking, and apps that rate brands on sustainability. Companies like Patagonia and Everlane have built their reputations on sustainability, using technology to showcase ethical practices and connect with like-minded consumers. In addition, platforms like Good On You empower consumers to make informed decisions by rating brands on their environmental and social impact. Consumers are increasingly demanding sustainable options, forcing brands to rethink their sourcing, production, and packaging strategies. This shift has also led to the rise of secondhand marketplaces and the circular economy, where products are reused and recycled. Embracing sustainability is no longer optional. It's a competitive advantage in a market driven by values-conscious consumers. Brands that fail to adapt risk losing relevance. Online reviews and ratings have become critical factors in consumer decision-making. Platforms like Yelp, TripAdvisor, and Amazon provide consumers with insights into product quality and customer satisfaction, influencing their purchase decisions. Studies show that 93% of consumers read online reviews before buying a product, and businesses with higher ratings see significantly more conversions. A single negative review can deter potential customers, highlighting the importance of managing online reputations. Brands must actively manage their online presence, responding to feedback and addressing customer concerns promptly to maintain trust and credibility. Engaging with both positive and negative reviews shows that a brand values its customers. Reviews are a powerful form of social proof. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave positive feedback can significantly impact a brand's success. Proactive reputation management is crucial in the digital age. AR and VR technologies are transforming the shopping experience by bridging the gap between online and in-store experiences. Consumers can now try on clothing virtually, visualize furniture in their homes, or test makeup shades without leaving their couch. IKEA's AR app allows users to place virtual furniture in their homes, while Sephora's virtual artist app lets customers try on makeup virtually. Similarly, brands like Nike and Adidas have developed AR tools for virtual shoe fittings. These technologies enhance customer confidence in their purchases, reducing returns and improving satisfaction. As AR and VR become more accessible, their adoption across industries will continue to grow. Investing in AR and VR can set brands apart, offering unique and interactive experiences that engage tech-savvy consumers. These tools not only enhance the shopping experience but also build trust in online purchases. As technology continues to evolve, so will consumer behavior. Trends like voice commerce, blockchain-based loyalty programs, and AI-driven virtual shopping assistants are just the beginning. The integration of the metaverse may redefine how we shop entirely, creating immersive digital shopping malls and personalized virtual stores. Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant are already enabling voice-activated shopping, while companies like Decentraland are experimenting with virtual retail spaces in the metaverse. The potential for hyper-personalized shopping experiences in these virtual environments is immense. Staying ahead of technological trends and anticipating shifts in consumer behavior will be essential for businesses to remain competitive in the rapidly evolving retail landscape. Embracing innovation while maintaining a focus on customer needs is the key to long-term success. The evolution of consumer behavior is a testament to the transformative power of technology. From online shopping to AI-driven personalization, each advancement shapes how we interact with products and brands. As consumers, staying informed about these changes helps us make smarter choices. For businesses, adapting to these trends is essential for success in the modern market. What technological trends do you think will define the future of shopping? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the ever-changing world of consumer behavior. See you in the next video.